Hi YouTube. Today is December the 4th and it's 2025 and I'm coming to you with this very short video to show you a few things that I've recently got. And I'm going to just get right to it. I'm not even going to waste time because I don't want to make a long video because it takes too long to upload it and stuff. Okay, I got these jeans right here and I got these from Shein. Let's zip it up. And I'm also going to do an unboxing from Coach, okay? All right, so I got these jeans right here. They're in the 1X. As you can see, if you can see that. I don't know if you can see that. This light is real bright, but we got 1X on there somewhere. Oh, it's right here. Here you go. They are in a 1XL, okay? And this is how they look. The front is just plain like this. Hope you can see. And the back has this little bit of stretch, okay? And they are wide leg jeans, as you can see. Here's the wide leg. Sorry about them being crushed up. I stuck them in my closet and hung them up, and they was all bunched up in there, so they got a little messed up. And then they're not 3/4 length, but they come like to my ankles. But I'll show you at the end of the video. I'll do a try on. And then this top right here also came from Shein, and I think this is like a 2X or 3X. I can't remember, but both of them came from Shein, and I'll do a try on at the end. So stay tuned, okay? So here's what I got. I got this right here, this giant bag right here. You can see Coach. And I also got the smaller bag. So let's start with the smaller thing. So I'll take out these two things. One is from Shein and one is from Coach. Because you know Coach had the, got this whole cat fur all over me. Coach had that 25% off, so I sort of cleaned up. Okay, but let me just show you this real quick. This came from Shein. No, this came from Temu, okay? I had gotten some, and they weren't quite as nice as this. And this one is real leather, so I got this one in real leather. Isn't that pretty? It's just like a little pouch. And that's the inside. Has like a little slip pocket on the inside. And this is from Temu. And I think I paid like 8 something for this, 9 something. It's like different stores have it for different prices. And then you might have to pay $2.99 for the shipping because I think most of these come from the United States. So, and that's how they get you. That's how Temu gets you. They'll be like, oh, you don't have to pay for anything, you know, for it to come from overseas, but you pay $2.99 if you don't buy $30 worth of stuff from that store, then you'll pay $2.99 added to whatever the price is of this. Okay, so I got this. And I got 2 more. Hold on a second. I'm going to stop it and I'm going to show you the other 2 I got. Okay, I'm back. This is the other 2 that I bought. And these aren't as nice because they're not real leather. This one is the red one. I have a couple of my things in there and it fits a good amount of stuff. And you can see the difference with this little pull thing right here. You can see, let me show you how much better this one that's real leather looks. See, this pull tab is different. It looks different. See how cheap that is? You can see the inside of that. And then here's the black one. I was going to take this one on vacation. And I had my stuff in there. I was supposed to go to Jamaica. And you know what happened in Jamaica. So everything was shut down, so I couldn't go. I was going to go to Jamaica. And I would have been down there exactly at the time when the hurricane hit. And luckily, they shut everything down, so I couldn't get a chance to go. But just putting it out there, if you can, give some monetary, financial help to Jamaica if you can, because that's where both of my parents come from. So I'm Jamaican, I'm Jamaican, but both of my parents are from there. Okay. All right, that was a little public service announcement. Now back to this. Okay, so I got 3. I got this red one, this black one, and then this blue one is the one that is all leather. Okay, that's real leather, and these are pleather. You can see the difference, how they look. Okay, so I got my stuff in there. Okay, let's move right along because I don't want to take a lot of time up. Now, here's the unboxing. I have 2 things that I bought from from Coach. This is one right here where I said I got them at 25% off. Okay, this is what it came in, like this. And I'm going to just pull it out because I'm going to put it back in until I'm ready to wear it and use it. Look at this. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. It's a card case and it has these lips on it. And so you have space for 1, 2, let me see, 1, 2 cards. Okay, I thought it was 3. 1, 2. So you have space for 2 cards here. And on the back it's the same. 2 cards. You can put 1 here and 1 there. And then you have the center place where you can put cards and things. And this is the care instructions and the little booklets and stuff that they put in there. But isn't this cute? And this sold out. I just almost didn't get this. Okay, because I put in my my order and then they said it was like you'd say back order or something like that. So I was like, oh Lord, I ain't gonna get it. And then after when I clicked on it again, it said it was sold out. So I'm lucky that I got this. But isn't this cute? And I paid less than 20 bucks for this. I think I paid 17 something for it. Nice little card case. Look how cute that is. And it's got lips on there. Okay, let me move right along. I don't want none of my stuff getting messed up. So let me put this back. That's not it. I want to put it back into, hold up a second, into this back in here because I don't want that getting damaged or messed up in the least until I'm ready to use it. Okay, and then here I got this also from Temu, either Temu or Shein. This pretty, I don't know, I call it a necklace for your pocketbook. You know these things that you can buy them and Coach have them. They kind of copy off of Coach. But look at that. Isn't that pretty? Look how cute that is. And this is my Coach bag I had showed you many videos ago that I got. And they don't even sell these no more at Coach. I don't think they do. This is called an LE file bag. And I have 2 of them. I have one with the signature. And then I have this one which is all leather. And it's this pretty color. This is my pom-pom. I think I got this from Shein long time ago. So, but this is what I recently got from either Shein or Temu. And they got all different ones. And some of them look exactly like the ones that Coach has. Okay, so you seen that. Okay. Yeah. I didn't see this yet. I waited to show you guys. So I'm about to open this and see this myself. Okay. Yeah, I wrap everything nice. Let's pull it out. Honey. What? So you can see it when I see it. There you go. That's what I got. Let me move back some. Ooh, I don't want to knock all my stuff down. But this is what I got. Isn't that cute? I got a tote bag. Take that off. Isn't that cute? And it's all leather. Oh my God, that's so cute. And it has this zipper part in the front. You know, where you could probably put your phone and stuff in there. You could put your phone in here. And, oh my gosh, let's see. You know how Coach wraps stuff. They wrap stuff the best. So, let's take this apart. Because even though I have some tote bags, I'm not a tote bag person. But I said I wanted this. So, like, you know, when I'm going on vacation or something like that, I could use this. Or I could just use it, you know, when I'm just going anywhere. Okay, so I'm going to show you the inside of this. Let's see. Let's take out all this packing. They pack these so good. So if you don't want to use your handbag that you buy, tote bag, whatever it is you buy right away, it's packed very nicely. Okay, this is what the inside looks like. Let's see. Does it have a zipper pocket? Yep, it has a zipper pocket right here on the side. There's a zipper pocket right here. Nice deep pocket. Look at that. That's deep. There's the insignia, Coach insignia. That's how it looks, and it zips. Because I'm not a fan of tote bags that don't zip. I like them to zip on the top. And I do have a Louis Vuitton. I have a what you call that? Neverfull. I have a Neverfull MM, and I've used that a couple times. But I don't really like tote bags all that much. But I said I had to get this one when I saw this, and then I got 25% off. So this was under $200. I think I paid how much I paid? $164, and it came to like 100 and like you say 178, 179 total, like for tax and stuff like that. But look how pretty that is. This is how it looks from the side. This is the back. This is the bottom. It doesn't have any feet on there. Here goes the front again. Isn't that beautiful? Let's see. Let's take this off and I'll show you what this looks like. Here's what the shoulder strap looks like. Like really good leather. Isn't that beautiful? And then here is the Coach insignia right there. And then it's the embossed leather. And I love the embossed leather. Isn't that pretty? Okay, so that's kind of what I came to show you today. Look at this. I don't even know what this is. They just stuck that in here. That's Coach. That's how Coach do it. But this is what I came to show you. These things right here. And take this out again. This right here that came from Coach. This credit card holder right here. And it has lips. And this comes off. This is like some sponge that they put on there. This little sponge thing comes out. And it's just the lips. And it has this beautiful color. Sort of a dark yellowish color. It's so pretty. So that can probably go right in here. And let's open this up. Me watching my time. Okay. I'm not up to 10 minutes yet. So let's put this all in here. And then I also showed you this right here that I got from Temu. And this is leather. This is real leather. And it's a little bit more sturdier than these two. I bought these two and these were real cheap. They was like, I don't know, maybe $2 a piece. Something like that. $1 something, $2. And these are pleather. I mean, they can still work and they're still good and I still use them because I put my stuff in there. But I wanted one that was leather and they come in all these beautiful colors like yellow, black, beige, gray, all these different colors. So I just picked this one. They got this deep wine color and that's what I thought I was going to get when I bought this one. And then I got it in a sort of more lighter red. And I wanted it like in that deep sort of a burgundy reddish color, but I may still get that later on. But that's what I came to you to show you today. And hope that everybody had a nice Thanksgiving and everything like that. And everybody's looking forward to Christmas and stuff like that. And so am I. So hopefully I'll make another video. I have a lot of videos that I make. I just don't put them together and stuff like that and put them up because it takes time to do that. So let me take out my my little necklaces. This necklace right here, I got this from Temu too. Both of these is from Temu. I think all three of them is from Temu. Yeah, either Temu or Shein. And they're nice. And this one says faith. If you can see it, it says faith on there. And then it has a mustard seed. And I thought that was just so cute. So, you know what the Bible says about if you have faith the size of a mustard seed. Okay, that's where that's from. And then this has a little biblical saying on here. It says, "Be still and know that I am God." And that is Psalm 46:10. So that's what I got on here. And it's a butterfly because I love butterflies. Then I just got this one with my initial and little butterfly on the side. All of these I think came from Temu. Either Temu or Shein. One or both. Okay, so that's what I came to you today. Again, today is December the 4th and it's 2025. And thanks for watching my video. If you like my video and my content, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and then come back and see me again when I make my next video. Because I got a lot of them. I make a lot of videos. I just don't, you know, put them together right and put them up. Because now I'm crocheting this thing. Let me show you this. I'm starting to make a, I'm making a blanket. So I even started a video with that. So you may see that coming soon. Here it go right here. I already started it. That's what it looked like so far. So I'm crocheting this and I started on a video. So maybe I'll put it together, but if I don't, at least you can see I'm starting this, and I will show you this when it's done. Okay. All right. So come back and see me in my next video, and I love you, and hope to see you in my next video. Bye. I love you. See you next time. Bye. Okay. Today is December the 4th, and it's 2025, and I'm going to show you these wide leg jeans that I got from Shein. I got these in a 1X, and this is how they fit. I hung them up wrong, so they're a little bit crushed on the end, but this is how they fit. It's how they look from the side, how they look from the back. There you go. And they're really nice. They fit nice. They fit around my waist. It's slightly a little bit tight because I have a big stomach, but they look okay. And I just have this on because it's hot in this room. I was going to put this on. This is a little tight. I got this from the thrift store. This is from Jones, New York. If you can see this tag on it. It's from Jones, New York. And it's in a large. And you know I can't fit no large. I mean, I could put it on, but I can't button it up. But this is what I was going to put on with it. So I would have just wore it like this. So this is how this looks. Go. But since it's hot in here, I got my heat cranked up, and it's pretty hot in here. So I just have this on. This is just a mock turtleneck top. And I think I might have gotten this from Shein also. So both of these came from Shein. The pants and the top. Okay.